What is going on, Lake Pro Tackle fam? I am back here in the shop here with some exciting news for y'all. We are going to be having a gift card promotion starting on the 24th of this month. So let me explain a little bit about this promotion here. You're probably wondering, how's it gonna work? How do I get a good gift card, right? So here's how it's gonna work. Each of your orders from September 24th to October 5th at midnight, we are going to take those orders, and these are going to be order specific. So each of these orders, we are going to take your reels that you order and your rods that you order, put them together. So if you do one order with a rod and a reel, we're going to combine that cost, excluding any tackle, accessories, anything like that. Just the rod and reels. We're gonna combine that, and it's going to output a total number for us, and it's going to tell us exactly how much of a gift card we are going to email you. So make sure to include your email at checkout. Let me double check my numbers here, but here is our tiers. So let's say you go online on the 25th and order a Halo HFX rod. Basically $160, $170, right? That is going to put you in the first bracket. I'm gonna have all the brackets right here for y'all. So $149 to $299. You're looking at a $20 gift card to spend back in store here at Lake Pro Tackle. I think that's an incredible deal, but hold on, there's more. The next bracket, we're looking at $300 to $449. So $300 to $450, you're looking at a $45 gift card. So stuck up on one of the most influential jerkbait rods for me, the X Pride 610 medium or 610 glass. These guys are gonna be in that price range right there, I believe. These X Prides, again, it doesn't have to be an X Pride. You can literally, I mean, you could optionally get two Halo HFXs. You can get a wide array of different rods and reels, combine them in different ways to get these gift cards here. And this is purely for y'all. Trust me, guys, when I say it is going to be a crazy year for the e-commerce and shipping, I don't want y'all to wait, 3 weeks to get your tackle, your rods, or your reels. So this is hopefully going to beat some of that, and it's hopefully going to allow y'all to save some money as well in the long run, shopping with us. And again, we are so appreciative of each and every one of you that, number one, watch these videos, and number two, choose to spend your money with our small business here up here in North Texas. But the last tier is $450 plus, and that's going to be a $75 gift card. Now, if you're like me and you're thinking about how can I get the most out of how can I spread my dollar? How can I get the best bang for my buck? Well, if I want to order multiple rods over $450, since we don't have another tier going beyond that, I'm just gonna do 2 orders. Let's say I want to get 2 St. Croix Legend X2 rods. I'm gonna place one order, and I'm gonna place another order, and that is going to qualify you for 2 of those gift cards. So I think personally, an amazing deal. Coming up with this, I was like, how can we give back to y'all and basically allow y'all to get your products that you need before it's too late? Well, let's kind of push the process just a little bit here and give back just a little bit as well. Now, these gift cards are going to be valid for literally anything in the store here, so you can use it back on another rod, another reel, tackle boxes, accessories, soft plastics, crankbase, spinnerbase, anything like that. So the gift card is just a normal gift card, but for the promotion here, we are taking your rods and your reels, combining them together in each of those separate orders, and that is going to get you the tier for the gift card there. So guys, make sure to stock up before it's too late. Like if you're looking to get a Christmas gift, I know it's a pain in the butt to store them somewhere for a little bit, but I ran into this a lot. I had so many customers email me from like November all the way moving through even like January, where everything was just milling around the postal system. And unfortunately, costs are so high using FedEx and UPS that the postal service is really the only way we can actually ship items without literally just spending an arm and a leg, 2 legs even, on shipping costs. So overall, I just want to say thank you so much for shopping with us, and I hope that y'all find something that you need, before everything just gets so crowded in the e-commerce system. But again, if you want to combo something out and you want to get rewarded for it, definitely let us know. If you need help finding anything on the website, or you're curious if we have anything that might fit your exact needs, like if you're looking for a JDM studio composite rod, carbon blank, I mean, fully handmade essentially here. I mean, these guys are super incredible. Maybe you're looking for a specific P5 rod from Megabass, or even the new Evolution rods. We do have those in stock. And of course, the brand new St. Croix Legend X2s, one of the more incredible rods that I have picked up in recent years, going from like a jerkbait rod all the way up to something like a small swim bait rod. So guys, so many amazing brands: Daiwa, Shimano, Megabass, St. Croix, Halo, Luz. I mean, so many here. Of course, Leviathan swim bait rods. So many to check out online at lakeprotackle.com. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. I'm going to get to them as soon as I can. And y'all, I hope you enjoy this gift card promotion. Again, starting the 24th, going to October 5th at midnight. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you next time at Lake Pro Tackle. See you guys.